I think this is a good way to cap our tumultuous week. No, in fact, parang for me, emotionally, parang naging anticlimactic because of what happened the past few days. But it took a little bit emotionally from us kasi medyo nag-spent emotionally kami in the past few days, and it was a good thing kasi medyo nag-settle down, no? You know very well that uh, na napakalaki nitong Ateneo Lasal, although um, isang panalo lang naman ang niakyat nito sa win column namin. And looking at that win column, what's important right now is we're giving ourselves a chance to catch up with the league leaders. It's still in our hands kung pipili namin manalo against UP this coming week. Um, napakagandang posisyon ng meron kami ngayon. So, but that is not to say that the job is already done. It's just to say that we have little victories that we wanted to celebrate also. We want to be happy after what have happened.
Sobrang kailangan ko kasi pero yun nga, sabi ni Coach, very special siya kasi ang dami pinagdaanan this past week. So, especially magandang opportunity, nagkaroon kami ng opportunity to even be closer as a team. So, we took everything positively, and going into this game, we knew that Lasal won't be giving this game. Nakita nyo naman yung first half, it looked like they wanted it more than us. Kaya nagalit si Coach Shabing kasi nagre-relax kami. Hindi kami ganun naglaro when we got our 4 victories in the second round. But again, I think hindi pa naman huli lahat. I think if ever given the chance, we'll probably see each other again. I was talking to Jerome, he said we're gonna see each other again. So we'll be ready for that challenge. And you know, ang maganda lang dito, nalagay namin yung sarili namin sa magandang posisyon in Final Four. We have the chance to go to that Final Four, playoffs pa na twice to beat or kahit ano. So hopefully, magawa namin ang paraan. Ngayon, may 1 week break, 5 days of just training and resting our minds and our bodies after two was
Juan, ikaw, may words of wisdom ako.
Actually, it's the last time that I'll be facing that I think of course, I'm happy for the win, but I'm sad I won't be able to be in this atmosphere again next time. Basta alumni na lang ako. Just gonna ask tickets from the players. And, but again, just to repeat what Coach Bo and Keeper said, this victory means a lot for us, especially our morale, because you know, as you know, this past week we had a lot of bad press against. The heat was kind of on us, but just want to thank the alumni, the fans for keeping with us. You know, they never really bashed us, and their support never wavered. So, thank you.
Coach, your thoughts about Aaron and Adrian combining for 23 points.
So, malaking bagay kasi katulad ng nangyari earlier on, medyo flat yung umpisa namin, and sila yung nag-pick up ng cudgels dun sa mga starters namin, no? And we were able to catch up because their effort, and when nabuhayan na yung mga starters like si Keeper and Von, at least nandun na kami. So napakalaking bagay ng contribution nila. And that is what I had been telling all along, na pag itong mga rookies namin will be able to finally able to perform dun sa potential nila, I think we can match up with any team. I have yet to know, no, and I don't know, but initially I was told it was a hamstring, pero I don't know the okay. Oh, you just, yeah, what I mentioned, sabi ko nasa position pa rin kami, no. Yun lang importante because although nasa kamay din ng UST yung kanilang destiny, sa amin ay susubukan lang namin na mailagay yung sarili namin doon sa position just in case they lose 1, 2 of their games, nandun kami to fight for the playoffs.
Because ano pa hindi pa ulit lahat yan, masyado pang mahaba yung pwede naman masyado mahaba pa yung pwede mga mangyari, hindi natin alam kasi may mga games pa yung Lasal, may games pa yung NU, so ayaw kong sabihin na last lang, hindi pag-asa pang hindi pa tapos yung season yung regulation, so hindi ko pa inisip kung bittersweet or kasi baka meron pa in the future, ano lang, kailangan ng ready lang din palagi.
We knew all along how, alam namin na sound naman yung game plan namin eh. It's just that above and beyond those game plans will be our effort na wala nung first quarter. No, kung sinabi ko sa kanila na kung hindi kami magbibigay ng 100% effort dun sa aming plano, it won't matter. No, it also help na sabi ko yung mga bench players like katulad din si Adrian coming off. Alam mo si Adrian na nagkaroon pa ng sprain yan. So ngayon lang siya naglaro actually from since yung last game because he sprained his ankle. He wasn't able to practice yung whole practices namin. And si Aaron, ang ganda ng pick up ni Aaron sa offense and din sa rebounding also. So, napakalaking bagay for us. Okay. Thank you.
Kahit pa kayo sa Alice.
Yun!
Ayun.